For today's video. Today we're going to be looking at the DAX. It does seem to be holding in terms of a short-term momentum. It's the 26th of April. My name is Russell Shaw, I'm a Senior Market Specialist at FXCM. Just going to bring up our disclaimers before we move on to the charts. We'll start off with a high-risk investment warning. I'll keep this on screen for a few moments. Okay, thank you. And here's our market commentaries disclaimer. Okay, let's just go through to the DAX charts. On the left, we've got the DAX hourly chart. Big one on the left, we've got the DAX daily chart. On the right, we've got the DAX hourly chart. Let's just take a look at the daily chart. And what I want to point out here is that the DAX has moved what we call zone 3, which is effectively a weak area between the lower blue and the lower red band. It's moved into the neutral area between the two blue bands. So a movement from the weak area into the neutral area is effectively a step forward. It's relative strength forward. Okay, and then what we want to do is we just want to keep our attention on the RSI. Okay, so keep a look at the RSI. The RSI at the moment on 50/50 is basically right in the middle of the indicator. It's effectively a neutral reading. If we can get above 50 and hold, then there's an underlying bullish momentum. And you can see the last time we went above 50, over here, you just take a look at the indicator in this period here, and you can see we just had a terrific movement higher, right? It changes to a richer red. So what we want to do is we want to just keep an eye on the RSI, the daily RSI, and see if we can maintain above 50. If we drop below 50, then we're in danger of going back into zone 3, the lower area, the weak area. If we hold in the neutral area, we may get a play like this: 1, 2, 2, 3, and then if we hold and we build in zone 2, the neutral area, we might get the next impulse up. In order for that to happen, just keep an eye on yesterday's high. So if we get a movement on yesterday's high, let's just make this a thicker lime green. If we get a movement above yesterday's high, then we effectively have a swing low, and we may get the movement up towards zone 1, which would be the area of strength, which is between the upper red and the upper blue, right? So just keep an eye on that. It goes without saying that the Corp ECE announcement out today will likely have some impact on the market, and if it affects global risk sentiment, it's going to affect the DAX. And if it pushes risk sentiment towards a risk on, we'll see the DAX appreciate. If it comes in hotter than expected, it might push the DAX back down towards zone 3. So we are in the neutral area. We can go one way or the other, but it does look quite promising, the movement from zone 3 to zone 2. As I say, keep an eye on that RSI. Let's see if we bump above 50. In terms of the hourly chart, there are encouraging signs here. So what you can see, let's just zoom in here. You can see that the EMAs have crossed positively, so they are in bullish mode with the green 5-hour above the orange 10-hour. You can see that the RSI is on the bullish side of 50. And very important, keep an eye on that stochastic. If it holds in the upper quartile region, then it will build on this swing. And then we may get that impulse move that we're talking about on the daily chart. Okay, thanks very much for joining me. I hope that this video was useful, and I look forward to our next video together. Thank you.